beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I've got this ash blonde unit. It came this color, got some highlights in it, it's got like this grayish root, and I'm feeling it. I threw some curls in it. I feel very hot. I'm so glad that I finally conquered the curling iron, because a few months ago, like a couple years ago, me could never imagine like curling some hair and being like, I like the way my hair is curled. And it's never turned out that good ever. So I'm very glad to have succeeded. And I love this unit on me. I don't have any baby hairs. I've been feeling a no baby hair look. If you guys want to see how I got into this look, stay tuned to keep on watching. Thank you to Alipearl Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending me this unit. And we can get on into it.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
I don't know if you noticed, but I've been trying to show you guys how the wig come out the box, and I've also been trying to install the wigs out the box. That's usually a little bleaching, but thanks for this wig. This is a blonde wig, no bleaching needed. Let's get into this install. I'm just going to tint the lace a little bit using my Even tinted lace spray. Even, hello, y'all want to sponsor me again? Y'all sent me a little travel size bottle of spray and thought that was enough. Y'all have a whole rest of the line products I would love to use and see, but we're not talking Even right now. We're going to throw on this ash blonde highlighted unit from Alipearl today. This is what it looks like on the head. It was a little snug. And also it was hitting my lashes a little bit, so definitely got to cut that lace out of my eyes. Once I adjusted it a little bit, I did notice that it was going to be a little, I was going to get a little brow lift doing this. So fully prepared for that. I'm cutting out my ear tabs. I'm just using my rat tail comb to fill out the line of where my ear is at, and then that's where it's at. Let's cut it. I'm cutting it using my stainless steel scissors. I need a new pair. They're not giving stainless. They're giving stained. So yeah, I'm cutting on my ear tab, and then for the back I use an eyebrow razor to just get that as precise as possible. Boom, ears out. And this is a full 13x4 frontal. Just want to show you guys that real quick before I install. Now let's cut 3 slits, 3 sections, a little bit of Even spray. I'm going to do 2 layers of this. And the wig was sticking down pretty well, so I'm just like, let me just stick it down side by side and get this brow lift. The first layer down, make sure it's tacky, and then hit the second layer. And once that's tacky, we can definitely stick down the lace. So I'm starting with the center. Once the center is stuck and the middle part is in the middle, the center is stuck, let's press that on in with our fingers. Let's make sure that it's in the right spot. And I'm going to blow dry on a cool setting to make sure that's all nice and dry. And then while it's still tacky a little bit, I'm going to go in with the side and get that stuck down. Also, I'm going to listen to this Kali Uchis. Y'all, if you have not listened to this Kali Uchis album, that Kali Uchis album is so good. I love it. It's so good. It's about love, all aspects of love. I love it so much. Very good album. But if you have any dried down spots that didn't fully get to get applied while tacky, spray a little bit of extra spray, get that little section down, blow dry, cool setting. You know the deal. I want to make this part fast because it's so repetitive. It's so easy at this point. Like it's so like hard to mess up at this point if you can't do the beginning. But if you want like an updated detailed thing, I will do a detailed part, but it just seems like everybody know how to do that at this point. So let's move forward to cut off the lace. Like I be saying, zigzag motion. You do it straight across, that's your prerogative. That's not mine over here. Over here, you do a little zigzag motion. That's what I'm into. I'm going to do that along all the perimeter of the frontal. And once all the lace is off, I'm going to spray my spatula with the Even spray. And get in there on the edges. Try my best to get any lifted areas, get under there. And also, just try my best not to get a lot of spray on the skin. Having a bunch of spray on your skin while you're trying to melt the lace just causes it to be like white and stuck to the band. Just get it right on the lace and make sure it's dried down and not tacky at all before you apply your band once again for another 10 minutes. Don't skimp out on the 10 minutes. This is what gets that lace melted. At this point, I'm free. I just want to see what it was looking like, and it was a little tacky right there by mistake, but other than that, it's giving my hair. It's giving very much my hair. And so the middle part was cute, but I wanted to do a side part. So section by section, I'm just going to slide it over bit by bit to just get the flattest side part possible. This is a real foolproof way of getting your side parts really flat. Just go section by section, small, bit by bit, and eventually you'll be able to get your shape going for your part. And also, tilt your hot comb towards like up, like the teeth part, tilt it up so the back can touch the root. and get that really flat. That's another tip I have for you guys. I've been doing really good at not burning myself. I just have to say, give it up for me. No burn marks on the forehead in like a couple weeks. Light layers, nothing crazy, just enough for the curl to stay. And once you see how it's laying like that, that's a good layer. Move on to the next side. I didn't want any crazy layers, just enough to frame the face really well. So once I saw that was going, I'm like, bet, let's get some blunt ends. I love a blunt end. It just makes the hair look so full. So that adds some nice definition to the hair. And then I'm using my Conair 1-inch barrel curling iron. And I forgot to hairspray that one, so I just skipped that. Hairspray first, always. Comb that through, and then I'm curling away from the face. Is this away? I'm curling away from the face on the sides, and also all around, actually. I think away from the face adds a very nice, you know, Farrah Fawcett vibe. I curl it and hold it for about 10 seconds. This is on the highest setting on my curling iron Lyles. I'm not sure what degree of temperature that is, but it say 30 on the barrel and 30 is the highest, so it's on 30. After that, I'm going to put it in my hand, give it a little scrunchy scrunch, and pin it. I think one of my pins had some dye in it because it was like little red streaks throughout the hair. So just, you know, if you're curling some blonde hair, you're about to pin it up. If you've ever dyed your hair using some clips, be mindful. Maybe that was just a me personal situation. Maybe I didn't wash my clips good enough, but that's just something I'm going to let you guys know. This light hair will take any color that you place on it. So just be mindful with that. And I'm just going to go through along with the front of my head, the top. I'm curling backwards and away from the face. And I'm just going to keep that up for the entirety of the hair. I'm actually so proud of myself for learning how to curl hair finally. It's like one of those things I thought I was never going to be good at, but this is the clip right here that sabotaged me right there. That clip, I shouldn't have used that, but that's my fault. Again, curling away from the face. I'm really proud of myself for knowing how to do this. It just, like I said, it seemed like one of those things I was never going to learn. But, you know, for lots of practice and trial and error, I finally know how to curl hair on the head. Who would have thought? Not me. I'm literally shook up about it, honestly. So once I curl all the hair, this is what it's going to be looking like. I had it sitting while I did my lips and just touched up my makeup a little bit. And at this point, I'm just taking down all the curls. I could really just tell that the vibe was going to give exactly what I wanted. Like, I'm in love with this unit. I have been putting off this unit for so long because the roots kind of scared me. They're gray in person, but on camera it looks a little bit more ash. And as you can see, I'm really feeling it. So I'm trying to keep my composure about it. But I really have held off this wig for so long because I was so afraid of what it was going to look like on me. I haven't been blonde in such a long time. And it was such the pleasant surprise. Spraying with some hairspray just to really make sure those curls are holding. Going in with a white tooth comb. Getting those curls nice and defined. It was a little bit of tangling. You know, this is a bleach blonde unit. So you can expect a little bit of damage. That's normal. I like to go ahead and deep condition these types of units after I'm done with that first wear, just to give them a little refresh, silicone mix, things of that nature, just to really bring back life to the hair because the bleach does take away so much. But as you can see, the hair is still very lustrous, and once I get through the tangles, like, it's very easy to play with. Wow. Look at how good this hair looks. Like, I was trying to keep my composure about it. Like, I look so good. I'm going to be a blonde for a little minute. I'm very excited to be living a blonde life. You know, they say blondes do it better. They have more fun. I can tell you, as soon as I put on this wig and I started feeling myself, I did tap into my fun blonde side. I'm a big fan of this unit. Again, thanks to Alipearl for sending this unit and sponsoring today's video. I'm a big fan. If you're interested in this hair, all information on this will be linked down below. And yeah, I look amazing. Like, I had to slow it down for y'all real nice and slow so y'all could take a good gander at me. I'm looking amazing. I'm looking delicious. I'm looking delectable. That's all I gotta say. I'm gonna let real time JaLeah talk to you. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Let's get into it.
So I could barely contain myself towards the end. I done thought this was a speaking video because I feel like I look amazing. I didn't know, I haven't been blonde in a very long time, so I just forgot like what it was like to be a blonde. But now I remember it and I'm fully living my blonde fantasy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm loving the unit. The curls are curling. The hair is beautiful, as you can see. I don't even want to play around with the curls too much, you know. I'm just trying to accept that I look really good right now and be okay with it. I hope you guys liked the video. I sure had a good time recording it. And yeah, I look forward to recording more content. Gotta get a few of these hair videos out of the way before I get into doing my body care routine and my skincare. But those videos are coming. I'm very excited to talk about that because my skin and my body is like been one of the things I've been most proud of lately. So you guys looking forward to that? Let me know, and definitely leave a comment about the unit. All information is down below as always. I think that's all I gotta say. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, beautiful.